Welcome to Smart English Stories. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English stories. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today. Improving your English writing skills is a journey worth embarking on. It's a skill that opens doors to numerous opportunities and enhances your communication abilities. Whether you're writing for academic purposes, business, or personal expression, good writing skills are invaluable. First, immerse yourself in the English language. Read a variety of materials, such as books, newspapers, and online articles. This exposure helps you understand different writing styles and enriches your vocabulary. Pay attention to how sentences are structured and how ideas are conveyed. Practice is key to improvement. Write regularly, even if it's just a few sentences each day. Keeping a journal can be a great way to develop your writing habit. Don't worry about perfection at first. Focus on getting your thoughts on paper. Seek feedback from others. Share your writing with friends, teachers, or online communities. Constructive criticism helps you identify areas for improvement. Embrace feedback as a tool for growth, not as a judgment of your abilities. Expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary allows you to express yourself more precisely and creatively. Use a thesaurus to find synonyms for common words. Learn new words in context to understand their meanings and proper usage. Study grammar and punctuation rules. Proper grammar ensures your writing is clear and understandable. There are many resources available, such as grammar books and online courses. Understanding the basics of punctuation helps in conveying your message effectively. Analyze your favorite authors' writing styles. Notice how they structure their sentences and paragraphs. Pay attention to their word choices and how they build arguments or narratives. Try to incorporate some of these techniques into your own writing. Edit and revise your work. Writing is a process that involves multiple drafts. After completing your first draft, take a break before revising it. This fresh perspective helps you spot errors and improve clarity. Editing is where you can refine your writing and make it more polished. Read your work aloud. This technique helps you catch awkward phrasing and grammatical errors. Hearing your writing can reveal issues that you might not notice when reading silently. It also helps in improving the flow and rhythm of your sentences. Write with your audience in mind. Understand who will be reading your work and what they expect. Tailor your language and style to suit your audience. Writing for different audiences enhances your versatility as a writer. Learn from your mistakes. Keep track of the common errors you make and focus on avoiding them in the future. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. They are a natural part of the learning process. Join a writing group or take a writing class. These platforms provide a supportive environment where you can share your work and receive feedback. They also offer opportunities to learn from other writers and gain new perspectives. Use writing prompts to spark creativity. Prompts can help you get started, when you're unsure what to write about. They can also challenge you to write about topics outside your comfort zone, broadening your skills. Keep a notebook for ideas and inspiration. Jot down thoughts, interesting phrases, and observations throughout the day. This habit ensures you never run out of material to write about. It also helps in developing your creative thinking. Practice writing different types of texts. Experiment with essays, stories, reports, and letters. Each form of writing has its own conventions and challenges. Diversifying your writing practice enhances your overall skills. Be patient with yourself. Improving your writing skills takes time and consistent effort. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember that every writer, no matter how skilled, started as a beginner. Stay curious and open-minded. Explore different genres and writing styles. Engage with various forms of media, such as films, podcasts, and art. Broadening your horizons enriches your writing and provides fresh ideas. Develop a writing routine. Set aside specific times for writing each day or week. Consistency helps build discipline and makes writing a regular part of your life. A routine also helps in overcoming writer's block. Use online resources and tools. There are numerous websites, apps, and software designed to help writers. Grammar checkers, thesauruses, and writing forums can be very useful. Take advantage of these tools to enhance your writing process. Write for different purposes. Try your hand at writing for work, school, and personal projects. Each purpose has its own set of requirements and expectations. This practice helps you become a more adaptable writer. Experiment with different writing techniques. Try using metaphors, similes, and other literary devices. Playing with language in this way can make your writing more engaging and impactful. It also helps in developing your unique writing voice. Seek inspiration from your experiences. Draw from your life events, emotions, and observations. Personal experiences can add depth and authenticity to your writing. They help you connect with your readers on a more personal level. Understand the importance of a strong thesis statement. In essays and reports, a clear thesis guides your writing and keeps it focused. It provides a roadmap for your readers, helping them understand your main points. Write in a quiet and comfortable environment. Minimizing distractions allows you to focus better and think more clearly. A dedicated writing space can improve your productivity and creativity. Read a variety of genres. Fiction, nonfiction, poetry, and drama all offer different perspectives and styles. Each genre has unique elements that can enrich your writing skills. Exposure to diverse genres makes you a more versatile writer. Practice writing summaries of what you read. This exercise helps you understand and retain information better. It also improves your ability to condense complex ideas into concise statements. Stay motivated by setting writing goals. Whether it's a word count target or completing a specific project, goals give you direction. Achieving these goals provides a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated. Reflect on your writing journey. Take time to review your progress and celebrate your achievements. Reflecting on your growth helps you appreciate the effort you've put in and keeps you motivated to continue improving. Write for yourself first. Focus on expressing your thoughts and ideas without worrying about external validation. Writing for yourself fosters creativity and helps you find your unique voice. Once you're satisfied, you can then refine your work for others. Learn to manage your time effectively. Balancing writing with other responsibilities can be challenging. Create a schedule that allows you to dedicate sufficient time to writing without feeling overwhelmed. Stay informed about current events and trends. Being aware of what's happening in the world provides you with fresh topics to write about. It also enhances your ability to engage with your readers on relevant issues. Use sensory details in your writing. Describing sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures can make your writing more vivid and engaging. Sensory details help readers immerse themselves in your work, understand the power of storytelling. Even in nonfiction, incorporating elements of storytelling can make your writing more compelling. Stories captivate readers and make your message more memorable. Develop your critical thinking skills. Good writing often involves presenting arguments and analyzing information. Critical thinking helps you construct logical, coherent, and persuasive pieces of writing. Use clear and concise language. Avoid unnecessary jargon and overly complex sentences. Clarity ensures your readers understand your message without confusion. Explore different points of view. Writing from different perspectives broadens your understanding and empathy. It also adds depth and dimension to your work. Maintain a positive attitude towards writing. Approach writing with enthusiasm and curiosity. A positive mindset makes the process more enjoyable and productive. Keep track of your progress. Document your writing milestones and review them periodically. Tracking progress helps you see how far you've come and what areas still need improvement. Understand the importance of structure. A well-structured piece of writing is easier to read and understand. Use paragraphs, headings, and bullet points to organize your ideas logically. Experiment with different tones and styles. Try writing in a formal tone, an informal tone, a humorous style, or a serious one. This experimentation helps you find your unique voice and adapt to different writing contexts. Write with passion and conviction. When you're passionate about your subject, it shows in your writing. Your enthusiasm can inspire and engage your readers. Remember that writing is a form of expression. Use it to convey your thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Writing allows you to share your perspective with the world. Stay curious and keep learning. Writing is a skill that can always be improved. Stay open to new ideas, techniques, and feedback. Continuous learning keeps your writing fresh and exciting. Take care of your mental and physical health. A healthy mind and body contribute to better writing. Ensure you get enough rest, exercise, and relaxation. Read your work from a reader's perspective. Try to put yourself in your reader's shoes. This helps you identify areas that need clarification or improvement. Enjoy the process of writing. Focus on the joy of creating and expressing yourself. Writing should be a fulfilling and enjoyable activity. Stay inspired by reading about other writers' journeys. Many successful writers have shared their experiences and advice. Learning from their stories can provide valuable insights and motivation. Take breaks when needed. Writing for long periods can be exhausting. Short breaks can help you recharge and return to your work with renewed energy. Collaborate with other writers. Co-writing projects or participating in writing groups can provide new perspectives and ideas. Collaboration encourages you to think creatively and learn from others. Write with purpose. Understand the purpose behind your writing and let it guide your work. Whether you aim to inform, persuade, entertain, or express, having a clear purpose enhances your writing. Be open to experimentation. Try new writing techniques, genres, and topics. Experimentation fosters creativity and helps you discover what works best for you. Practice empathy in your writing. Consider your reader's feelings and perspectives. Empathetic writing resonates more deeply with your audience. Stay disciplined and committed. Writing improvement requires consistent effort and dedication. Stay committed to your writing goals and practice regularly. Reflect on your experiences as a writer. Think about the challenges you've faced and the progress you've made. Reflection helps you appreciate your journey and stay motivated. Believe in your ability to improve. Confidence in your writing skills grows with practice and positive reinforcement. Believe that you can become a better writer with time and effort. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey to improve your English writing skills is continuous and rewarding. Embrace each step, learn from your experiences, and enjoy the process. Writing is not just about putting words on paper, it's about expressing yourself and connecting with others. Thank you for being part of this journey with me today. Keep writing, keep learning, and keep growing.